All right, so tonight we are going to be working on our kit rockets. We're actually going to start all the preps steps for assembly. So we're going to be doing all of the non-gluing / epoxying steps this week. Next week, we will be doing all of the gluing. It's going to be a mess. It's going to be great. It's going to be fabulous. So just some notes about the non-epoxy steps. The X-Acto knives that we have are a little bit flimsy, so please take your time with them. Cut away from yourself. Don't stab yourself, please. Like, take as much time as you need, and if you have a better knife, please, not a butter knife, a better knife. Although a butter knife might be a better knife. And just, yeah, take your time, safety first, and safety throughout. So on that note, there are a few steps that we're skipping, and so the presentation, I'll link in the chat shortly, is the modified procedure that we're going to be following. So yeah, and then next week we will have both an online meeting. So some of our mentors will be, I think Nolan particularly, I don't think you'll be on campus, right? So you'll be on the Zoom call, and then some of our mentors will be in person and still able to help online as needed. That would probably be me. And then some of our mentors will be focused on helping out those that show up in person. So we'll be meeting in the science quad tent. There's two of them actually. So the one closer to Hertig, the one further from Curry Student Center, is our tentative meeting spot. If there's an issue with that, I will message out in the Discord at around probably 7:30ish. But we should be good to go. So yeah, is there anything else that I'm missing, guys? I think that's mostly it. So on that note, I'm gonna just open up the breakout rooms and let you all have at it.
Did you talk about the, sorry, I might have missed it, did you talk about the alternate build days?
Oh, yes. So some people have not yet received kits. If you have not yet received a kit, / also if you need more assistance at a later time, we are likely going to have a second meeting, and that will also be made official in the group chat, but tentatively, I think Friday evening is what we're looking at. So that's for just if you didn't get the kit or if you need more assistance. So yeah, on that note, I'm going to end the recording.